Hi everybody, this is Riff again. Getting ready to put this 50C 2S battery in this Arrma Gorgon. I already moved the jumper over for LiPo and it's ready to go. And now I'm just going to stuff this old battery, the only one I had out of all my batteries that had the proper connection on it, so it just worked out. Thank goodness. But I'm going to get this battery stuffed in there and we'll see how this thing goes. Get back with you. After a lot of finagling, I finally got it in there. It was a very tight fit. It's only a 5,000 milliamp battery, but it was a very tight fit with the particular wires, the way they came out of it. But I got it in there, and I guess the good part is it won't be jostling around much, so that's a plus. We'll see in a bit. Everybody, this is Riff. Just a little note about charging the Gorgon nickel battery. Most of the people that have been charging this that I've seen on videos have been plugging it into a regular USB port, and it takes, forever to charge it that way. I did notice in the instructions that it said to plug it into a high-speed USB port, or a high-power USB port if you have one, which is 20 watts or higher. And I have one of those, and as you can see, there's a blue light there, and I don't know if it'll show on video or not, but that light is actually green instead of white, which means that it's charging at the faster rate. And I'm not actually going to be using this. I just wanted to do a demonstration to show you guys. I'm going to be using a 2S LiPo. But I wanted to get this little bit of information out there because nickel cadmiums take forever to charge anyway. And if you actually do this, the time will be much shorter than just plugging it into any old USB like I've seen a lot of people on videos doing. So I just thought I'd share that. Thank you, Riff out. Hey everybody, this is Riff. I just gotta say that this truck was an absolute blast. I was running it on 2S with a 50C pack, and it was a wheelie machine. It could just wheelie all day, every day. It was so much fun. It had plenty of power. It was very fast. I don't even know if it translates on video very well, but in real life, it was much faster than it appears on video. It was very quick. And I have very deep grass. Very deep grass. I mean, my grass is probably like 4 inches, and it was cruising through it. It was just, just cruising through it. And I was thinking, man, if I had like normal grass like most people do, it would have been even faster. So it was so much fun. And I really think that at the price they're selling this for, it's an absolute bargain and it's a steal. And it's probably going to be under a whole lot of Christmas trees this year because this thing is just amazing. So I highly encourage you, if you want a nice little truck that's inexpensive, you want to get somebody new in the hobby, this is perfect. Um, and if you're just somebody who likes to grab a truck and bash, and this thing is perfect on 2S. And I can't recommend it enough. Thank you for watching, everybody. I'm sorry it's been so long. The health issues have been a problem, but I wanted to get something out for you guys, and I can't say how much I enjoy doing it. So if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Riff out.